Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the holy grail of 7 remote jobs you can start in 2025 with no experience or resume. Remote work is transforming lives, and in 2025, opportunities are more accessible than ever. Whether you're looking to break into a new field or earn a stable income without a resume, this guide highlights 7 real remote jobs perfect for beginners. These roles don't require prior experience, and some even offer paid training. Let's explore your options. What it is. Liberty Mutual Insurance hires remote customer service representatives to assist policyholders with billing, coverage, and general inquiries. Why it's accessible. No insurance background is needed. They provide all training and licensing. Earnings, $41,000, $56,000 annually. Experienced reps can earn $73,000 a year. Pro tip. Employees praise Liberty Mutual for its benefits and supportive training environment. Score, 9/10. What it is. Process and manage online orders from home for various companies. Why it's easy. Requires basic typing and computer skills, with no phone calls involved. Earnings, $38,000, $53,000 a year. Career potential. Learn tools like Google Sheets or automation software for future career growth. Score, 8/10. What it is. Manage employee schedules, track availability, and fill gaps when needed. Why it's rewarding. You'll develop organizational and communication skills while working independently. Earnings, $45,000, $64,000 a year. Pro tip. Companies provide software training, so no experience is required. Score, 8.5/10. What it is. Help patients navigate healthcare systems, schedule appointments, and manage records. Why it's important. Act as a bridge between patients and providers without needing medical expertise. Earnings, $40,000, $55,000 a year dom. Pro tip. Healthcare organizations offer comprehensive training, making this ideal for beginners. Score, 9/10. What it is. Sell educational technology to schools and teachers looking for innovative tools. Why it's unique. You'll assist educators with solutions they need, not cold call uninterested clients. Earnings, $78,000, $142,000 a year. Pro tip. Strong communication skills and enthusiasm for education make you a perfect fit. Score, 9.5/10. What it is. Connect funeral homes with the supplies and services they need. Why it's stable. The funeral industry is recession-proof and increasingly moving toward remote work. Earnings, $54,000, $86,000 a year. Pro tip. Compassion and professionalism are more important than sales experience. Score, 8/10. What it is. Guide prospective students through enrollment processes for online educational programs. Why it's fulfilling. You help students take the first step toward life-changing education. Earnings, $57,000, $83,000 a year. Pro tip. Schools prioritize communication skills over experience and training is provided. Score, 9/10. These 7 remote jobs for 2025 offer exciting opportunities to work from home without prior experience or a resume. From customer service to edtech sales, these roles cater to various interests and skill levels. Many companies provide training, allowing you to learn while earning.